What's up YouTube, and welcome back to our channel, Meet the Teats. My name is Melissa and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Now before I go any further, I have to say wow. Okay, the carrot bacon video was a hit. You guys loved it and I am so glad and so thankful that you guys watched that video. It is now at 11,000 people. Oh my goodness, like who would have thought carrots were so interesting? But I am back with another carrot bacon video. I am on a quest to make sure that I get this recipe down packed, because if you watched my previous video, you'll know that the carrot bacon was not really crisp. It gave me some crunch, but not like enough to say, okay, like, yes, this is bomb.com. The carrot bacon is amazing. It tastes great. But what is missing is that crunch. So in today's video, I'm going to experiment 3 different ways to cook the carrot bacon to see which of those methods give me that crispy crunch bacon. Keep on watching. So here's my carrot bacon. I marinated it last night. And if you want the recipe on how to make this carrot bacon marinade, you can watch the original video, Tabitha Brown's video, and I'll link it in the description box below. Or you can check out my review, my tutorial on how to make the carrot bacon, which I'll link up below in the cards and also link in the description box below. So I'm going to be making this carrot bacon in 3 different methods, and these are 3 different ways that were most popular in the comment section on the carrot bacon video. So I actually got it all set up here. I got some little name tints, y'all. Like, I'm really like a teacher at heart, so yeah, I love this stuff. So let's check this out. Let's check it out, y'all. So I'm going to be cooking some carrot bacon a little bit longer in the oven. I'm going to be using a broiler and also cooking it on a rack instead of a flat pan. And these are the 2 pans that I'll be using. I'll be using this for the broiler and also cooking it a little bit longer on a regular sheet pan. And then I'll be using this to cook it on the rack. And this is the rack I'll be using. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Here are the different carrot bacons, and this is how it turned out. This one was cooked on the rack. Okay, this is how it turned out. Now, just by looking at them, this one here on the broiler, it's definitely limp. Okay, you see that? Limp. And it seems like the broiler method is not a good method because it actually started to burn the bacon. Okay, and there were some pieces that were actually like burnt to a crisp. So this is probably not the best method, so we're going to eliminate this one. Okay, so last 2 cooked a little bit longer and cooked for 5 minutes on the rack. So I'm going to actually taste to see which one of these have the most crunch. So here we go. Okay, so let's start with cooked a little bit longer. And I'm gonna grab a piece. I'm gonna grab this piece here. Let's see. Okay. It has a crunch. It definitely has a crunch. Let's try another piece. Yeah, it definitely has a crunch. Yeah, it does. It does have a crunch. It's so good, y'all. Okay, cooked on the rack for 5 minutes, okay? This is a little bit lighter bacon than the cooked a little bit longer. So let's get a piece of this one. I got carrot on my shirt, y'all. Let's see. Let's take this piece. Pretty firm. Let's see. Okay. That might have made a difference, y'all. Okay. You know, there's really not, to be honest with you, I don't really taste it. I don't see the difference in the 2. Okay, y'all, so my conclusion. These two, one was cooked a little bit longer on 380 in the oven. This one was cooked on a rack for a total of 5 minutes. And to be honest with you, I don't see much of a difference from either of these two. Okay, they taste the same, obviously, because the same marinade, and they have the same amount of crunch, which is really, really strange. Now, I will say that these are a little bit more firmer, cooked a little bit longer than the ones who were cooked on the rack for 5 minutes. But the crunch is like the same. These are just a little bit firmer than these. So it really depends on you and your liking, your tasting, how you like your bacon. To be honest with you, I would love it to be more of a crunch. But I don't know if you're gonna get that from carrots. So, but it does taste like bacon, and it's a good and healthy alternative. So with that being said, my experiment kind of let me know that no matter if you cook it on a rack or on a flat pan, you know, a little bit longer, a little bit less, it seems to me that you're gonna get the same amount of crunch in each methods. Okay, now the broiler, no, that did not work. Now if you have an air fryer, that may work, but also I saw people in the comments saying that the air fryer didn't get it crispy as well. So I'm gonna keep experimenting, I'm gonna keep playing around with this, and I'll let you guys know if I find a method that works best to get that crisp, tasty bacon. When you're eating the carrot bacon, I'll let you guys know, and I'll keep you guys updated. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this wasn't like an epic fail, but thank you guys for watching and sticking it out with me, and as I experiment on how to get that perfect crisp in the carrot bacon, you guys. And thank you guys again. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and also share it with a friend. All right, you guys, I will see y'all on my next one.